For what?
Hi.
I need to speak to you in the front.
Listen.
I refuse.
Listen what's going to happen. Listen to what's going to happen. If you guys do not deboard the aircraft now, I am going to deplane this aircraft and you're going to be arrested for trespassing. Do you understand that? You understand that?
We're speaking to you and
I need a lawyer.
Okay. Like I said, we're going to deboard this aircraft and I'm going to take you to jail. Do you understand that? Okay, she understands it. Hello.
Sí, señor. ¿Cómo está? Bien, ¿qué tal? Tengo dos pasajeros que están en primera clase, no compliant. This is the captain of the flight.
Yes, sir.
Could have been two passengers that stand in first class. Wrongfully. They accepted the drinks, they started drinking, and then they were told to go back to their seats. But they were already intoxicated. Okay. So now I'm asking them to please come to the front so I can speak to them. They're refusing to come.
So they're not flying, right?
They're not flying. They're not flying.
I'm going to watch you. Let them know they need to deboard the aircraft. If they do not, we're going to deplane the aircraft, and then we're going to forcibly remove them.
Oh, thank you. Very good.
Thank you guys very much.
No, it's departing. They refuse? All right. Deboard the whole aircraft. We got to deboard the aircraft.
They're refusing to come off?
They're refusing to come out. Okay. Go ahead. They're all the way in the back.
I went there and told them, this is the third time I asked you to please to talk to the front of me, and this is the fourth time I'm telling you I'm not coming up. So,
You want to go in?
it's just that they don't want us. I have to first ask them. If they don't, then we just
Pablo, let them know that they do not deboard. They are going to be arrested for trespass. You know, I'm just going to give them the verbal warning myself.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Yeah.
For what?
Hi.
I need to speak to you in the front.
Listen.
I refuse.
Listen what's going to happen. Listen to what's going to happen. If you guys do not deboard the aircraft now, I am going to deplane this aircraft and you're going to be arrested for trespassing. Do you understand that? You understand that?
We're speaking to you and
I need a lawyer.
Okay. Like I said, we're going to deboard this aircraft and I'm going to take you to jail. Do you understand that? Okay, she understands it.
Thank you, gentlemen. No worries. I appreciate you trying. Would you like to be boarding or would you like me to?
would you please try?
No. So basically, get your belongings for the aircraft momentarily. You're going to get back to the overhead compartments. Once you're all on board, we'll even the overhead decks, whatever they need. That's it.
She's going to be at 39.
Yes.
Just It's two of them? No, they're both going because he was next to her and he heard the same speech.
Do you request this moment all gather your belongings, your overhead bags and whatnot, and head upstairs and then be playing here and our officers here can take care of their jobs and no contact on the Once upstairs is stay in the boarding area. As soon as we have the problem resolved, we'll walk back down and discuss the lines.
Thank you very much. I'm still going to jail. I already told her, I warned her, she didn't get up. She's going to jail.
Were you saying?
escalator lang.
Okay, thank you.
There's two bags.
Okay, thank you. Appreciate it.
You'll be able to tell. We're gonna do this.
Yes, yes.
Carlos, LT.
Yeah, I'm gonna start now.
Yeah. Don't use a lady's bag. Thank you.
So now what happens? We're all gonna miss our connections. But if we only have a 30-minute connection and there's no more
We're gonna have
flights,
to rebook you over there.
1 minute of the because I stay at a hotel.
You guys for like, when we get this, we do that.
I'm like 99% sure those are their bags.
Service guys.
No, wait. Good luck.
Thank you. Thanks. No, they're going to jail. She was supposed to get out before we deported. Yeah. No, one of the ones next to her, I don't know which one.
22? Oh, I saw her, but
Once she passes, hold these people back so we can take care of business here and
hey, sir. All right. Thank you, sir.
Good luck with that.
hablan español. Sí, ¿qué pasó? ¿Ah?
Van a bajar el avión por un segundo.
Hay que bajar por un segundito y vas a volver a montar.
Make sure you draw a book at that, please.
Yeah, I see her. Who's the other one? The male? Oh, it's two females?
Okay, now we're ready. We saved the whole plane. We don't want everyone to
Exit.
come.
She's the other one? Come on.
We'll get that in a second. Walk out.
Ma'am, put your hands behind your back.
Can I? Like, yeah, can we just
Clap your
save the whole plane?
hands. Clap your hands.
Like, it's not detrimental.
Your chance was in the beginning when we spoke to you. Okay? That was your chance to save.
When I told you to exit the aircraft, that's when you were supposed to exit.
No, when you told me to call your attorney, this is what happened.
Dad, I don't give a fuck. And like, the attorney is gonna hit you up, so why are you so rude?
Hold up.
And if I said no, then what? That's my fault. We were gonna be able to still go on our flight. We were still gonna be able to fly after.
Hold on, huh?
Because I was not sitting in the right seat. You're doing that because I was not sitting in the right
I have it on
seat.
video. I literally have everything recorded.
All right, come on.
They're just doing their job.
Come on, hon.
They're doing their part. Oh, yeah,
All right, stop.
I need somebody to get me the info on the flight attendant, the pilot, and this gentleman.
I'm sorry.
I'm gonna need a female for a pat down.
That is.
I have it on video, and I literally have the guy saying they told me to tell you that.
No, that's good because
We're good.
I'm getting kicked out because I didn't see the right fucking seat.
Mama, get up. Get up. Come on, get up.
Oh, sorry. I just had a.
I need to pee.
I had to do a little yoga on the way to jail. Oh my god, I keep. Sorry. There we go. He's good to me. Sonia. And that's just fucking.
My car's over here, so.
Run! Hey, don't sit in the wrong seat. Don't sit.
No, I told these guys to get it for me. The guys over there, I told them, get me the info on the pilot, the flight attendant. Who else is over there?
Yeah, I gotta go back and get it.
Actually, I need to put my mail address.
Hey, don't sit in the wrong seat because you'll get arrested.
Put my mail.
Hey, don't sit in first class because you'll get arrested. Sonia.
Let's go down, exit door 11, and I'm parking 12. Airport 3202. Could I get a female officer to 15 at lower door 12, reference pat down? Let's do the elevator.
You look hot though.
He's number 8683. 8683. He's at 1735 and she will arrive. 1720. Airport is going.
No, it's not even that. You need to clean up for the house and Karen's like complaining and that's all it's doing.
That green and white right there.
She just sat there quiet the whole time in the back and they just wanted to be like, I think it was a millionaire or something that wife was put on. I had it all on video and then they told the guy to come up to us to do that thing. It was but they told me to do that. So I'm like, bro, like just tell us to go back to our seat and we'll be cool. Like it's not an issue, so they get the issue. It's just whoever's in whatever mood that day, shit happens. This is not my first arrest, obviously, but it is what it is.
Where's your ID?
For my first?
You have it on you?
Why would I have it on me?
No, you don't have your purse on you?
You guys arrested me.
Your purse was in the overhead?
Yes. No, my purse was right there on the floor. They keep my purse on the floor.
I'll just ask you for your information.
Oh, okay. I'm like, what do you mean? I hope it's in there. Yeah, my
Gotta get this bag out of here. Have a seat. Thank you. Whoever was behind us, Augustine.
Do I have to sit back here really with my hands?
Yes, turn sideways so it doesn't
like
hurt.
that? Yeah.
Put your shoulder on the seat and your knees to one side or the other. It's a lot more comfortable.
But they let one go in the back before.
What?
I'm not aggressive.
No, I have to put them in the back.
I've been back here without them.
Okay. It's not going to come off until we get to the jail. I can't take them off. It's
In
not gonna
Miami?
happen. In Miami, it doesn't come off until you get to the jail. I'll put them in the front.
Hey, girl! I miss you!
Let me start the car.
Under 49. USC Section 44902. B. An air carrier may refuse to transport any passenger deemed inimical to safety. No criminal conviction required, no court order required. 14 CFR Section 91.3a gives the pilot in command sole and final authority over the operation of the aircraft, including the decision to remove any person before departure. Under Florida Statute Section 810.081, an aircraft is legally classified as a conveyance. The moment boarding permission is revoked, every second a passenger remains constitutes an active criminal offense. Section 810.082a escalates the charge to a first-degree misdemeanor. The instant a person is warned by an authorized agent and refuses to leave, each repeated warning is not courtesy. It is an additional statutory element being satisfied. United States v. Wilkes, 662 F3D, 524, 9th CIR 2011. Confirmed that aircraft cabins constitute private property. Trespass law applies in full the moment permission to remain is withdrawn. Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S. 3861989, sets the use of force. Standard reasonableness is judged from the officer's perspective at the moment of the decision, not from the passenger's version of events reconstructed afterward. The Sixth Amendment right to counsel attaches at the initiation of formal criminal proceedings, not during a compliance order. Saying I have a lawyer does not suspend a lawful removal. Under Cordero v. CIA, 629 F2 D1000 375 5th, CIR 1982, Federal Aviation Regulations preempt conflicting state law claims. The captain's authority is federal. It cannot be negotiated at the seat level. Key lesson compliance with a lawful removal order is not a waiver of rights. It is the legal prerequisite for exercising them. The right to challenge, appeal, and sue survives the moment you walk off the plane. 14. CFR Part 259 provides the DOT consumer complaint process. 42. USC Section 1983 provides a civil rights claim channel. Both remain fully available after compliance. Neither requires remaining on the aircraft. So the real question is this: if an airline's removal order can be legally wrong but still legally enforceable in the moment, where exactly does the passenger's protection begin? The law draws a sharp line between the right to resist and the right to seek remedy. Understanding which side of that line you are standing on could be the difference between walking off the plane and being carried off in handcuffs.